Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to see how you can make a children's storybook using two tools. So we're going to start with first with ChatGPT. Just go on and give us. So we've seen it has given us a title, the Lost Star storyline. You can see it has given us two for a very short. The purpose of this video, we're giving it short, giving us a storyline. So now this is what we're going to use to work with. So head over to this is Canva now we're going to use. So on your Canva, click on apps and search app, search for child book and click you see child book AI, click on it and click here so you can see now in this particular section you click on use new design. Search for something along the line of comic book. So we have different templates here. So we just click. Now as you can see the various books have appeared. So we now have to now pick one. Let's select this first one here. Alright, let's go for this. You have the illustrations, you now have the chapter text. Yeah, so you just have to click or drag text to add to your canvas. So the text, you can just copy the text here, see the text here. So this is on that way. So this is on that way. So now it's on that way. So what you now have to do now, let's remove delete the background. So you can use this version, another version here. So but we started up with creating prompts from with ChatGPT. So what we will now do now, go over here and click Magic Media, the left hand side here, click Magic Media. Then head over to your ChatGPT. Earlier on, this is the storyline we're going to use. So first of all, we copy this now. This is the title of the book and head over here. Generate. So copy the prompt. Head over to Canva where I can click it here and click generate. So click one of it here, set it as image background. Click on add page. This is page 2 now. Head over back to ChatGPT. This is storyline. Storybook is star 4 in the forest 2. Page 1, come here, copy the prompt, head over to Canva, Click on go back, click here, click on generate. Click on test, click on header, go back to ChatGPT, copy, come here, the font, increase the size, to the left, bring it down, change color of text to white, add another page, head over to ChatGPT, copy the next image prompt, click on it, add magic media, click on go back, click image, click on generate image. Set as image background. So let us quickly generate all the images. Head over to the second one, click on go back, generate image. So click on this, set as image background, head over, can go back, generate image. So we now have to choose one of them, so we'll just take this, set as image background. So we'll take the next prompt, head over to ChatGPT, click on go again, click paste, click generate image. So you can choose, let's choose this, set as background. So as you can see, we've finished. It's a 5-page storybook. So now have to now add the text for this. So just come here and add text. So as you can see, we now added this. So all now left, let's just it's now left to let us share it. Click on download. Let us choose so I open PDF. So let us click download. So it has downloaded. So let's click open. So you can see this is the storybook. Also, you can create it with Canva as well as CapCut. It can be better. This is just an instance of how you can do it. So thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe.